What did you do? That was funny.
What's that?
You're funny.
What's that?
That's the princesses.
What's that?
They added Rapunzel over the weekend, so there's 7 princesses now.
What's that?
That's Snow White.
What's that?
That's Belle.
You mean there was that? What's that?
That's the Little Mermaid.
What's that? What's that? What's that? Grandma,
What?
can you help me do this?
Can I help you do what?
7.
Go back to the main screen. There's your toy. There's your games.
9, 6, 9, 10.
It's just sideways. There we go.
But I can't. What?
Hello. What did you do?